Hey you guys, it's your girl Brittany back with another video. So today I'm doing an orange perm rod set on my hair using my choice of L.O.C method products. I'm taking a small to medium sized section and applying my products, then detangling my hair. Okay, so I'm getting ready to apply my perm rod, but before I apply my perm rod, I want to make sure that my hair is fully detangled. So I'm going to go back in with my brush and fully detangle my section, especially when it comes to my ends. And when it comes to applying that perm rod, I want to keep my section as straight as I can, especially on the ends. And I'm going to smooth my ends out with my fingers and then roll up that perm rod. Okay, so here's my hair once I have finished putting in my perm rods. This took about an hour and a half, and I used about 33 perm rods, which is about 3 packs. So I do advise to get 3 to 4 packs. "24 hours later, I am ready to take out these perm rods, and I'm using my oil so I won't have any frizz. And then I'm going to start from the back and then just unravel them the way that I put them in. As I'm taking down my perm rods, I am taking my time just to reduce that frizz. And I must admit, it was a bit of a struggle putting in these perm rods just because I don't do these often. And so when it comes to some sections, it may be a little puffy, which is okay. When it comes to separating my curls, I usually just let them do their own thing. But in this case, I'm just going to take small to medium sized pieces and separate it like so. Here are my curls once they have been separated. Now when it comes to fluffing out my hair, I usually don't fluff out my hair very often. I like to let my hair get bigger as the days go by. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and take my Y2 comb and fluff out my roots, just to give my hair a little volume. And here is my final look. Thank you so much guys for watching. Tell me what you think of this look down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.